All right, looking off to our south, clouds continue to develop around here ahead of some storms. Look at those in a minute. First off, let's look at the big storm. That is Ida, just a little bit north and east of Jackson, the center of it is. And right now, this is the very latest. Ida has weakened to a tropical depression. So winds are now sustained at 35 miles per hour. And as a depression, it will continue through Tennessee, and then it'll be what we call a post-tropical low as it moves through northern Virginia coming up Wednesday into very early Thursday morning. So Wednesday, particularly in the afternoon and evening, will be where we have our biggest impact from Ida. We also have Tropical Storm Kate out in the middle of nowhere, just to make sure everybody's aware of everything going on out there. I'll throw Kate in here. Kate's not going to affect anybody out there, which is good. All right, the rainfall associated with Ida coming through is going to be, in some cases, a little bit heavy in times here across central Virginia, but the heaviest by far is going to be way off to our north and west. That's where the real significant flooding could be. As far as winds go, outside of storms that produce damaging winds or tornadoes, the actual winds from Ida are not going to be very strong. We're talking about less than 30 miles per hour on the gusts. So that will not be a major factor at all with this thing as it comes through. Looking at the hour by hour, as we get into Wednesday, I think early Wednesday looks okay right now. Storms still out to the west. As we get into Wednesday afternoon and evening, any one of these storms will be developing in a strongly sheared environment, and they will have the tendency to rotate. So what we call low top supercells that could produce tornadoes. We'll continue to see those even into the overnight period, early Thursday morning. Everything wraps up by early Thursday, probably 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. We are done, and we'll have much nicer weather behind that. We'll talk more about that coming up today at 5.